Grand Rising family. I had a video for y'all yesterday. What happened was I was on my Mototech Thor. I was on my Mototech Thor yesterday, and my memory card was full. But I'm riding around thinking I'm getting some recording there. And when I got to the crib to check the video, it was only 3 minutes. 3 minutes of video recording that my it's a Minaret Temple. It was only 3 minutes of recording on my memory card. I was like, wow. I did a nice tour too yesterday on the Mototech Thor SS, the stand-up scooter. But I'm out this morning getting a little exercise in, my morning walk. Been raining off and on all day. They put this garage back together, y'all. Look. Remember this garage? I guess he turned it into an apartment. The economy we live in now, making it happen, making it work. Yeah. Because right here was the opening where they had the garage door at. They closed that in and then got a door on the side like it's a little apartment now. You know, you gotta do what you gotta do in the economy we living in now. Know what I'm saying? If you got a garage in the back of your house, you can invest into that, fixing it up, turn it into an apartment, rent it out. Know what I'm saying? Tire place here. Let's go down 3rd, yo. But I wanted to go down Memorial Park. Tire spot here. They open on Sundays, y'all. This tire place, though. Open up at 8 o'clock, 8:30, something like that. Yeah, they open up at 9 o'clock. They open up at 9, y'all. From 9 to 6. Monday through Sundays. Now I'm gonna go through the park, y'all. Come around. I'm gonna walk down there. We're gonna end up coming out that way. But yeah, y'all, I had some nice footage for y'all yesterday on the Mototech Thor. I think I rode around for like a good hour and some change recording. And when I made it to the crib and seen at the memory card, because when I had got down Memorial Park by Martin Luther King Monument, I had looked at the body cam, and it was saying memory is full. I'm like, memory full? I said, that joint usually roll for hours with that SD card in there. But what I didn't know, y'all, even though that you erase like delete the videos that you record on your phone and stuff like that, you still got to clear the SD card. Format it, rather. So I had to format it. I'm like, damn, there ain't no videos on the fucking SD card. Why does it keep saying storage is full? So then I YouTubed it. YouTube is everything, y'all. You need to find out something, YouTube it or Google it. But I had YouTube, how do you clear your SD card? And you got to format it, put it back in the phone. You go to the storage, then you click onto your SD card, and then it's the 3 buttons in the right corner. Click that, and then you select format SD card. So once you format it, you deleting everything that's on there on that SD card, and that's how you clear your SD cards, y'all. For those who don't know. Yeah, it's been raining all morning. Been raining all morning, y'all. Off and on, so I got the umbrella. I want to walk past the park. See if that water, is it flooded down the park? Or not. Yeah, they also having something next Saturday too, y'all, in Chester. Before some D's, they having a festival at Memorial Park. I think it started at 12 o'clock, ends at 6 o'clock. We're gonna walk up here and I'm gonna show y'all the billboard that they got up. That's what I had got yesterday. But the fucking video only had 3 minutes of recording of me when I first started, which I really didn't care. 6th Street here, y'all. 6th and Wilson. So I usually get out early in the mornings, like today. If it wasn't raining, I would have did another video on the Mototech Thor SS. I would have most definitely rode that over town. That's what I end up doing. I had rode that over town. Over there by Avenue of the States, Edgemont Avenue. And got some nice footage in, y'all. Coming up on 7th and Wilson, y'all. Seventh and Wilson here. 7th and Wilson. We're gonna hit the alleyway and come out by Memorial Park. I'm gonna show you all that festivities they having next Saturday, June the 18th at Memorial Park. The Foursome D's. Remember the Foursome D's played on House Party, y'all? A lot of the young generation don't know about House Party with Kid and Play. That's when one of the Foursome D's had a Jerry curl. A scary curl, rather. A scary curl. Who was they chasing? They was chasing Was it Martin Lawrence? Because Martin Lawrence played in there too. Or was it Kid and Play? They was chasing through the movie. And their slang was, I smell kitty cat. But y'all know what the word is, right? I smell vagina. I said, these jokers is crazy. Especially the one with the scary girl. Nah, the park don't look like it's flooded, y'all. The park don't look like it's flooded. Guess it gotta rain harder than that. But this is where they're gonna have the festivities at. Right here at Memorial Park. Next Saturday, June 18th. So let me show the sign right up here, y'all. Right up here on this corner up here. Got urgent care over there. Yo, that was the best place they built in Chester here, y'all. You can get school and work physical exams done there. X-ray lab work. MRI work. If you need a DOT physical for your CDLs, you can get that. That place right there, I've been there a few times, y'all. I love it. I got no complaints at all, y'all. You can just walk right in. Here I go right here, y'all. This was the Joker right here who had the scary curl back in the day. For some D's. Twelve to 6. That's next Saturday, y'all. It's most definitely next Saturday. Do I want to walk down I ain't gonna go down now. It's Memorial Park here. I ain't going that way because I know around there is that goddamn cause it been raining, so I know that water would be right over there and shit. So we go this way. Yeah, y'all. So next week, y'all ain't doing nothing. Slide on down here, y'all. This is where the festivities gonna be at next Saturday, and I think that's that Father's Day weekend. You know what I'm saying? Most definitely that Father's Day weekend. Which Father's Day is every day, just like Mother's Day is every day. For those real fathers that's in their kids' life like that. Know what I'm saying? Salute. Salute to the real fathers. Starting to rain again. I'm glad I brought the umbrella, y'all. Came prepared, y'all. But they might have to, if it keep raining how it's raining, they're gonna probably have to come down here, cut that grass again. Know what I'm saying? Yeah, I came prepared, y'all. Most definitely came prepared. Rain feel good though. I ain't gonna lie. Most definitely feel good this morning. Got no complaints, y'all. You know what I'm saying? No complaints at all, y'all. Just living life. You know what I'm saying? Living life, y'all. See? Like I said, it's off and on all day, they said. But the humidity supposed to go up. The humidity supposed to go up, y'all. So this rain ain't gonna do nothing but make it hot. You know what I'm saying? Kick it under the tree. You know what I'm saying? Kick it under the tree. The tree give you cover. And like I said, little rain won't hurt. Little water won't hurt, y'all. Cause trust and believe, when it get hot outside, and it feel like desert weather, you gonna be saying, damn. You know what I mean? People never satisfied. When it's cold, they saying I wish it's hot. When it's hot, they say I wish it's cold. You know what I'm saying? So I'm enjoying it, y'all. Most definitely enjoying it. That's why I couldn't get on the Moto Tech this morning. Because of the rain, off and on rain showers. But it's lightening up again, y'all. See? It's lightening up. Yeah. Came down here yesterday. It's that rain life, y'all. It's that rain life. Saying, got the library right here on the left. Got the library right here on the left. Coming up on Martin Luther King Monument. Yesterday, man, I was listening to Fannie Lou Hamer when I was on the Moto Tech tour. Fannie Lou Hamer, man, she went through a whole lot, y'all. For those who don't know who Fannie Lou Hamer is, YouTube, Fannie Lou Hamer. Ashe to the queen. Most definitely ashe to the queen. I see the water down there and shit. Yeah, she went through a whole lot, y'all. You know what? It's coming down, y'all. Gather up under one of these trees. Know what I'm saying? It usually flood down here, y'all. Make my way over here. Coming down, y'all. I always wanted to do a video in the rain. I can get over here by the library. And they got some good shelter up under here. I believe they do, yeah. Yep. Down here at the library. I'll let some of this rain slow down a little bit before I take back on. Yeah, y'all. That's what it is. One of them days today, y'all. One of them days. It's the library. Yeah. And once this rain slow down, I can start the mission again. Yep. Just imagine if I was on that Moto Tech tour. Oh man. Woo! Like I said, when I started out this morning, it had just got finished raining how it is now. It had stopped. I said, you know what? I can take a ride on the Moto Tech and come on back before it comes down again, but I'm glad I didn't, y'all. For real. Most definitely glad I didn't. And once it slow down, I'm gonna make my move. For real. Make my move back to the crib. What I probably do though, just that relax rain. Like if you had a partner or something like that, y'all just want to lay in bed all day, all morning while it's raining, you know what I'm saying? Listening to the rain hit up against the shutters. I remember them days, y'all. Them rainy days, you just lay up with your partner. You know what I'm saying? Just relax, watch movies, cuddle and shit like that. How many of y'all out there cuddling right now? Oh man, cuddling weather they would say, right? Cuddling. I remember them days, y'all. There ain't no time to be cuddling right now, y'all. In the crisis we in right now, ain't no time to be cuddling. You know what I'm saying? Because in reality, when you wake up and you wash up and get dressed, you still in the same turmoil that we was in yesterday. You know what I'm saying? Gas prices at its all-time highs. Baby formula shortage. Prices rising at the market. You know what I'm saying? Houses going up, rent going up. And like they said, ain't no seems to be no sight in the near future, y'all, for this shit, y'all. But the reason why they always say that, because you got 2 more years with this administration that's in there. So of course there ain't gonna be no insight in no goddamn near future. We got 2 more years of mayhem, ladies and gentlemen. Here it is, a wildfire in Mexico. Joe Biden visiting the wildfire when we in a goddamn wildfire in America, y'all. We in a wildfire in America. But yet, he talking about giving aid to Mexico over a wildfire. Once again, they ain't got nothing to do with the American people. See, y'all, I told y'all. Joe Biden and that administration is about putting other people first before the American people, y'all. So if he gonna give aid for a wildfire, why he can't give aid to the American people that's in a fucking crisis right now, y'all? In crisis. And that's a fact. But yet, every other country that goes through something, first motherfucker on the site is fucking slow Joe Biden. Giving out aid. Giving out aid to everybody but the American people, y'all. It's crazy. That's crazy, y'all. That's a fact. And that's a straight up fact, y'all. They giving aid to everybody else, but they ain't giving aid to the American people. Know what I'm saying? And that's a fact. So what I say about this goddamn country, fuck this country, y'all. What's going on, bro? All right. Nah. What I say about this country, y'all, fuck this country, y'all. That's a fact. Motherfucker gonna burn from the inside out. You heard me? Motherfucking country gonna burn from the inside out, y'all. Because this administration don't give a fuck about the American people at all. This administration is about putting other fucking countries first before putting our own goddamn peoples first. You see what I'm saying? Did y'all hear about that militia group that they caught on their way to fucking the LGBT march? It was in a motherfucking U-Haul. And see, like I said about being vigilant, somebody was being very vigilant and peeped these like a nationalism skinhead group. They was packed in a U-Haul. It was all packed in a U-Haul, y'all. They had rod shields, helmets. They had their face covered and everything. You know what I'm saying? A militia group. A white militia group. But they ain't talking about that on the news like that. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, y'all. Check out y'all your boy Slow Joe Biden giving aid to New Mexico over a wildfire. Google that, y'all. He everywhere but nowhere. He everywhere but nowhere. What's up, baby? What's going on?